16 times 6 is not a perfect square.
Ah, very nice. And that is also the highest perfect square that goes into it, which makes your life easier.
So then, it's 15 times 6.
Times 6.
So you write 15, like square root of 15.
Square root of 16. Thank you. Beautiful.
And then 15 goes down to 4, then 4 square root of 6.
Beautiful. So you've taken the square root of 16, so the symbol goes away. Okay? Alright? This is an operation, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Right? If I did 3 plus 5, I'm not going to write 8 plus. I'm not going to keep that symbol there. I've already done it, right? Alright, how about 125? What beautiful perfect square goes into this guy? Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, 25. How many quarters are there in $1.25? 5.
That's all that's possible right there.
So this guy turns into a 5, square root of 5. Not too bad? Okay.
Not comfortable.
No. You only say that because you didn't do your homework.
Hey, that's all
Judging you right now. Alright.
Look at the recording, Miss Holly.
It is recording. You can go back and listen to it later. What do you have to do first?
First, you're going to add 8.
Add that 8 over.
Make sure that go to sleep.
What's it give me?
1/2.
1/2.
Oh, so.
Do you know how to say when it's in parentheses?
Parentheses.
Times the quantity of. It does. Sounds mad fancy. Times the quantity of.
Times the quantity of.
Yeah, how many times are you going to add it up? Go, man.
When you say quantity, you include the square too.
Anything
The
else?
quantity of x plus 4 squared.
Anything else?
And then you're going to divide by 1/2.
What's dividing by 1/2 the same as?
Multiplying by 0.5.
Yeah, don't mess with me.
No, that's multiplying by half. When you divide by half, what's that the same as? Hey, David. It's like multiplying by 2.
Yeah.
Because when you divide fractions, don't you flip them? Right? You're fine. Okay. So either way, I don't care which.
This is the most work I've done all day, Miss Holly.
Well, okay. Still less than last class.
Does this go right here? Does it go
No.
in there? Or does it leave that?
No. You're good. So these guys go away.
Get rid of that, and then you have 56.
Which one does it go in?
Plus 4 squared equals 6.
You want me to do it? I have to interrupt. Which one does it go in?
The orange.
Square root it.
And then we square root it. Because the square root of a square does what?
It gets rid of the livestock. And then you get x plus 4 equals square root of 56. Now you can break down that table of 56. It's not, but it could be for you.
What numbers do you know go into this? Just looking at it right away. 4.
2, 4, not 3, not 6, not 9. You could do it, wait, no, 5 times 8.
What's 56
Yeah,
divided by
7 times
4?
8 is 56.
7 times 8?
Yeah.
And 8?
But 8, but you need a perfect square. 8's not a perfect square.
8 makes it 4.
What's 56 divided by 4?
14.
Can 14 be broken down anymore? Are there any perfect squares that go into 14?
No.
No, then you can just stop right there.
That's what I thought, yeah. 2 square root of 14.
And if you want to jump and write a 2 right away, if you don't want to write this stuff, that's fine. That does not bother me at all. That's a beautiful thing. Alright. Then we subtract 4. So, fun fact, it's just as far as good math hygiene, which of these guys should go first? Yeah, we want the 4 to go first because it's a rational number. And we also forgot something. What did we forget? It's got to be plus or minus. The minute you square root something, did we talk about why that is? If I tell you that x squared is 9, what possible numbers could x be? It could be 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, but it could be -3, because a negative times a negative gives you what? A positive. So there's no way for us to know, which causes us to have 2 possible answers. that make sense? They love asking questions like this on college placement tests, and they'll give you 3 as a number, they'll give you -3 as an answer, and they'll have one that has both. And they're trying to see if you know that property. Because some people just rush and they go, oh, square root of 9 is 3, and they move on. But this is also a possibility. Does that make sense? Yeah. Like that. How are we feeling about square root method?